everyone, welcome to Universe's Unique in English vocabulary. Word of the day is income. INCOME. Income को हिंदी में कहते हैं आय. Money that is earned from doing work or received from investments. The money you receive regularly as payment for your work or as interest on money you have saved, etc. काम करने के एवज में या बचत पर ब्याज के नियमित रूप से प्राप्त होने वाला धन, आय, आमदनी, उसे कहते हैं इंग्लिश में इनकम और हिंदी में आय. Synonyms of income are earnings, salary and remuneration. Antonyms of income are expenditure and outgoings. Now, example sentences. First, it's often difficult for a family to live on one income. And second, he has a nice home and an adequate income. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.